Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and review of the Casekoo Clear Case with the Magic Stand. This is one of the best iPhone cases you can get in my opinion. I loved it on my previous iPhone and I finally bought it for my 17 Pro Max. Now, this is what the case looks like on Amazon. So it's called the Casekoo Clear Case, super simple name, and then it's got the 360 stand, magnetic stand actually. And if it's anything like it was on the previous model for the iPhone 16 Pro, it is unreal. It was the best stand that I've ever used on a smartphone case. It was that good, and that's why I had to buy this one. But yeah, you can see the reviews are really good. There's different color options. You can get like a blue and clear. You can get gold or orange. There's a whole bunch of options. Now, I will leave a link down below in the description if you do want to pick one up for yourself. They're a little bit pricey, but I think it is reflected in the build quality. Like I said, this is one of the best cases I've ever used for an iPhone. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and put it on my phone, and then I'll give you guys my thoughts. So this is what the box looks like. So it's just got the Casekoo logo, simple black box with the Magic Stand logo. There's the back. Nothing crazy on the box. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Now, like I said, I'm a big fan of these Casekoo cases. I loved it on my previous phone, and that stand is such an amazing feature. Yeah, let's take a look at this here. So, certified military protection. Then we've got the Hallbuck magnetic circle. Now, the magnet on the previous model was actually really strong. I really liked it. And then this little magnetic ring that pops out was fantastic. Here's the other part here. So, yeah. Cool little paper that comes with it. Now let's take a look at the case itself, and bam, there we go. Nice clear plastic. It's got anti-yellowing technology. Now, I'm assuming it's built the exact same way pretty much as the last model, and I had that one for over a year and it looked exactly like this. It did not yellow or anything. So the Casekoo anti-yellowing is better than I would say most clear case companies. But yeah, this thing looks really cool. The stainless steel or magnet here is actually cold. I guess it was sitting in the garage for a little bit. But anyways, build quality, very strong. Like, it really snaps back. Like, it is very secure in there. You got the little Casekoo logo right here. You can kind of see it in white. You got the cutouts for the phone and everything. But without further ado, let's go ahead and put the phone right in there. So I like to do the top corners first, just so I make sure the camera is secure right away. Go away, Siri. I don't want to talk to you right now. But yeah, pretty much it. Already on there. There's not like a super tight fit like some of the OtterBox cases, which I don't like. I don't want it to hug my phone like crazy, but this is like on there, secure enough. And you know, I like it being snug, but not like really gripping onto the phone like some of those OtterBox cases. But anyways, you can see, looks super clean. You can see the lip is semi-thick, but not like super thick. Some of the phone cases, you know, they really stick out, makes it really heavy and bulky. But, you know, this is a pretty slim clear case, but it's also got that military grade protection. If you were to drop it, you can see the little extra like air pockets on the corners there, just for added drop protection. Now let's talk about the cutouts. So if we look at the back here, we've got our 3-camera system, and then you can see that the lip basically goes just slightly above the camera. You can kind of see it like right there. It's a little hard to tell, but I wish it did come out a little bit more, but that's totally fine. This is enough protection. If you were to put it like on a surface, it's not going to scratch the camera or anything, because the case does come just past the camera to protect it enough. But like I said, I would like to see that lip come a little bit further. There's not a lot of cases that do that, but if anyone from Casekoo is watching, I would try to extend that lip around the camera just to protect it a little bit more. Then you've got a separate cutout here for the flash and LiDAR scanner, which is pretty unique. Like, I feel like most phone cases don't do that, unfortunately, especially like a cutout like that. Like, this was my old case here. You can see they have separate cutouts and circles, but I kind of prefer this one. I feel like it's just easier to clean like that with a larger cutout. You know, you can just wipe it and done. But yeah, I think the silver looks really good with the silver iPhone. Like, you can see the color matching looks nice. And I think it looks really premium, you know. You've got the silver magnetic ring. You've got the silver on the phone. I'm sure the silver would look good on pretty much any of the colors, to be honest. But on the silver iPhone 17 Pro Max, I do think that looks quite nice. You can see here, so this is a cutout as well for your fast action button. Now mine goes to the camera, just because, you know, if I'm trying to snap a quick picture or video or something, I like to have that readily available. And then we've got the power button, of course. Now this one is not a cutout, it goes over the actual button. Then on the other side, no cutouts either. We've got your action button. I guess I called that the action button. So that's not the action button, that's the camera. We've got the action button here, and then the volume rocker up and down. Super easy to click, just like the previous version of this case that I had. Super easy to click. You can't even hear that really. Like, it is very easy. Some cases, they're like, you know, these thick buttons, like some of the OtterBox cases again, and you can really hear the click. This one is subtle, which I like. And then, yeah, clicking the action button, the action button, there we go. Super simple. Mine turns on the flash, but, yeah, in the hand, feels really nice. It's lightweight, but it's still got protection on it. All the cutouts for the buttons and everything is nice, and the ones that are covered feel pretty good too. And we can take a look at the bottom as well. So you can see on the bottom here, we've got cutouts for your speaker system, and then also the USB-C port. Super easy. You can plug in pretty much every USB-C charger, unless you have like one of those really, really thick ones. But I would say if you're using the standard Apple one, or pretty much any typical USB-C charger, you're not going to have a problem with it rubbing up against the bumpers here on the plastic. And I like this speaker cutout as well. It's fully open for all of these speakers. Some of the cases, it's really weird. They did like individual holes for the speaker, which I think is odd. This makes more sense to me, having them open and exposed like that, easier to get the sound out. And yeah, you know, like, it's just a really nice case. You know, it's simple, it's clean, it's protective, and I haven't even started gushing about this magnet yet, but I will get there in 1 second. One thing I do want to note, though, is there's a little bit of branding on it. It's not a whole lot. You probably didn't even notice it until now, but you can see right here, if I can get the focus, right there. Okay, so you can see it says Casekoo. Super minimal branding. It's just on the bottom left side of the case, and you can really only tell that it's there if you're actually looking for it. You know, most people, they're going to hold their phone like this anyways. You're not even going to see it, but it is super subtle. Like, it's not very in your face. They could have made the letters black or red or white or whatever. They chose to make it clear on the clear case, which I really like, that low profile design. I just, you know, I love the minimalist aesthetic of the case. But yeah, so like I said, you know, the bumpers, they're thick enough. They're not super thick that it makes the phone feel heavy, but they do have protection on the corners. Like I said, you've got those air pockets there for military grade protection. Buttons are super easy to click. I like the cutouts for the camera and your scanners and all that. Like I said, I do wish the lip came out just a little bit more, but this is kind of like your standard lip. Like, even the Apple cases and all that, officially from Apple, do not have a super thick lip on there. But like I said, I wish they did add that. Maybe they will next year, I'm not sure. But yeah, aesthetically, I think it looks really good, really clean. It's just super simple case, and I love clear cases because I personally like to see the phone. Now, one negative that I do have before I start talking about this key ring here is the one reason why it took me so long to order this case is because I thought Casekoo was going to redo this case, because you can see right here the Apple logo is covered by your stand. Now, I guess this is what happened. So Apple was supposed to have the Apple logo here, which is where it's been for pretty much ever. I think there was maybe like 1 or 2 models of the iPhone that had it lowered, but basically Casekoo and other phone companies figured that the Apple logo was going to be right here. So it would have lined up with the circle and been in the center, but Apple changed it, I guess, at the last minute, and that's why half of the Apple logo is covered. But honestly, you can't really tell a whole lot. You know, if you're holding your phone like this or taking a photo and someone looks at your phone, they're not going to see that Apple logo anyways. But that was the reason. That was the reason why it took me so long to get this case, because I thought they were going to redo it, move it down slightly so I could see the Apple logo. I know that's a very nitpicky thing, but that's how I am. I like to see the logo, and just having it half covered was bothering me. But honestly, now that I have it, I don't really care anymore. But yeah, that's a little bit of history on the Apple design on the back of the iPhone 17s. Now let's talk about this magnetic ring that also becomes a stand. So you have this little lip here, you pull it, pops out, and you can get a stand. Now, this viewing angle is really, really good right there, but you can obviously adjust it, if you want the angle smaller or bigger, or I guess that's the biggest, but if you want it to go smaller, you can definitely do that. Now, I love this because when I'm doing, schoolwork or my own work or whatever, I like to have the stand popped up on my desk so I can see my phone, notifications, time, all that kind of stuff, and I don't have to always pick up my phone to check stuff. This is such an underrated feature, having this stand, and the magnet on here is super strong. The build quality is really, really good, and I highly recommend this case. This is probably, I might even say it's better than the previous one that I had. Like the previous one, the build quality was good, but this one feels a little bit more premium, which I thought would be hard to do because the last one I loved that case already. Now, something that they added is you can actually rotate this 360 degrees, and there's a little, did you hear that little click? So you get a little click when it locks into place. So that is awesome. So if you want to, put it horizontal and watch a movie like this, you can do that. If you want to do what I do and have it kind of like sitting while you're on the computer or whatever, you can put it vertical like that. So that is really cool. Now it rotates 360 degrees. That is awesome. And then when you're all done, you put it like this. Oops. You put it like this and lock it into place and done. And you can hear that magnet is super strong. The hinge feels really strong here. Overall build quality is 10 out of 10. Like I honestly don't think you can really get much better. Like maybe you add the lip and that's pretty much it. Like there's nothing else I could really say to improve this case. There's a reason why this Casekoo case was my favorite case for the 16, and I think it's probably my favorite case for the 17 now. So yeah, it's great for media consumption if you want to have it horizontal. Maybe you're someone that likes to go on your phone while you eat like myself, and having this stand available to use while you eat is actually a really great functional thing that this case provides. I really, really like it. And yeah, basically I just spent 12 minutes gushing about this thing because I genuinely like it a lot. And yeah, I highly recommend this case, guys. The Casekoo Clear Case for the iPhone 17. Now, they do make it for all of the models, so 17, 17 Plus, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max. They have it for all those models. So, like I said at the beginning of the video, there is a link down below if you do want to get one for yourself. Highly, highly recommend it. I think this is probably the best clear case on the market. The anti-yellowing, like I said, from the previous model, I had it for like a year. No signs of yellowing at all, and I expect the exact same with this one because it's the same company and it's essentially the same case. But yeah, let me know down below in the comments what you think about it, guys. I love this case. It is really, really good. I know it's a little bit more pricey than a typical clear case, but honestly, the magnets are really strong. The stand function is fantastic. The build quality is great. You've got the military grade protection and everything. Yeah, I highly recommend it. Like I said, link down below. If you guys have it already, let me know what you think about it. And if there's a better case that you can think of, let me know down below in the comments too. I'd love to review it. But yeah, that is the Casekoo Clear Case for the iPhone 17. Thank you for watching this unboxing and review. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.